Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming your PC meets Subnautica minimum specs before troubleshooting further. Check that Windows is updated and you have at least 20 GB free disk space. Verify the game files through Steam or Epic Games to repair corrupted files and missing assets. Update your GPU drivers to the latest stable release provided by NVIDIA or AMD. Disable overlays such as Steam, Discord, and GeForce Experience before launching. Run the game as administrator to avoid permission errors. Note any error messages and record them for the next steps. Temporarily disable antivirus and Windows Defender to test for blocking behavior while you attempt to run Subnautica. Install or repair Visual C++ redistributables and DirectX runtimes from Microsoft to restore missing system libraries. Verify that NET and DirectX components are current and properly installed. Close background apps that may use overlays or GPU resources, including web browsers and recording tools. Try launching the game from a freshly created Windows account to isolate profile or permission issues. If the game starts, migrate save files carefully to avoid repeating them. If basic fixes fail, inspect the game log files and app data and the game folder for specific error codes and missing DLL names. Use Steam launch options like Windowed Knoborder or Force Vulkan to change runtimes and test direct rendering. Try running the game in compatibility mode for Windows 8 if crashes persist. Uninstall the game fully, then delete leftover folders in program files and app data before reinstalling. Reinstall GPU drivers with a clean install option to remove old driver remnants. Finally, contact support with log.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.